See, the government is not interested in running the parliament. This is what I feel because we've been demanding continuously that SIR is a very important issue and this needs to be discussed. At one hand, the government is saying that they're willing to discuss, but they don't want to discuss SIR. We have already said that we suspect or fear that the elections have been stolen from us in Maharashtra, Haryana, Karnataka and so on. And Bihar, this exercise of conducting the special intensive review within 6 months is not really practically feasible. Already 65 lakh people have been deprived of the voting rights, and if it continues, then it will go on till more than 1 crore and 30 lakhs. And we want to discuss in Parliament. Parliament is the biggest panchayat in the country. And if after getting elected we are not allowed to discuss such important issues in Parliament, then what is the use of Parliament? The government is not willing to discuss it. Today, the Honorable Prime Minister, he was supposed to answer a question during question hour. He was not present in the Parliament. So they don't really take any much importance to the functioning of the Parliament, and it's the responsibility of the government to ensure that the Parliament runs. This government is so weak that they are not able to run the government. If they have discussion, they have talks with all the parties, how difficult it is. This is very, very disappointing, and I hope the government takes cognizance of the thing and have discussion with everyone and has the Parliament run. You see, then what is the use of government? If they say that this is a natural calamity, can't be prevented, what is the use of government? What is the use of the state government, central government? And this calamity is man-made, I think, because of the rampant progress that is happening, that construction that is happening. We are seeing the same in Himachal as well. We are seeing in Uttarakhand now. Firstly, I'd like to offer my deep condolences to everyone who lost their lives. And I'm praying that everyone who is insured or affected, they get well soon. And I appeal to our workers and leaders from the Congress party also to help the people who are in distress. And this is something which the government has to take cognizance, and it's a very, very serious issue. The kind of development that is happening, that has to be ecologically balanced. You can't go on constructing without taking into consideration the ecological aspect of it. We are seeing the same in Andaman, we are seeing the same in Lakshadweep, we have seen the same in Himachal, now we are seeing Uttarakhand, and this has to stop. The government can't say that only construction is the way of development. The ecological aspect has to be taken.
भारतर एकमात्र परीक्षित बायोसार पृथ्वी प्रो माटी को रखे सुस्थ दिए नुआ जीवन धान पनीपरिबा और डाली जातीय फसल पाई लाभदायक अमल बढ़ाए रोग कमाए आज ही जमी रे प्रयोग करंतु जोगाजोग पाई 9937054201 नंबर को डायल करंतु आम सह जोड़ी हेबा पाई आमकु लाइक फॉलो और सब्सक्राइब करंतु अधिक अपडेट पाई विजिट करंतु आम वेबसाइट thequiver.in आम सह जोड़ी हेबा पाई आमकु लाइक फॉलो और सब्सक्राइब करंतु अधिक अपडेट पाई विजिट करंतु आम वेबसाइट thequiver.in